ordinary camera with an ordinary doorbell and an even more ordinary door lock. Boring. This is 2022. It's time for 3-in-1 integration with eufy Security Video Smart Lock. It's simple to install.
Easy.
I knew you could do it. Let's see what else Video Smart Lock can do. No matter what you're doing, see who's at your door and unlock it.
Really?
I said it, didn't I?
Hello, Mom. I'm home.
Easy, right? It works in cafes
Mom, let me in.
and at the office.
Mom, open the door.
Anytime, anywhere.
Can I check Video Smart Lock from space?
Sure, why not?
Mom, open the door.
That kid's going to need a bath.
Well, where's my phone?
You could have used your voice,
So how?
you know,
Hey Alexa, open the door. Like this?
just like that.
Wow.
Let's let them have fun.
Hey guys, thanks for
Oh,
coming.
check out those line thingies. That's your data. It'll be securely uploaded to your Chime for free. Let's go inside Video Smart Lock. Video Smart Lock features the fastest advanced fingerprint technology. Unlock in any situation and watch the self-learning AI increase its speed and accuracy the more often you use it. Kids can use it. Grandma can use it. It works in rainy weather and on snowy days too. And with dual detection technology, you'll know when anyone enters or leaves your home. Ugh, not this again. Can we get a hold of Mom?
Let's see how you like this, Mr. Thief.
Excuse me, can I help you?
Nicely done, Mom. Video Smart Lock protects your home and your family. Experience the ultimate convenience at your front door with advanced 3-in-1 integration. That's eufy Security Video Smart Lock.